भारत जोड़ो यात्रा एक विचारधारा है और एक सिंबल है, और जो बीजेपी की विचारधारा है उसके खिलाफ क्लैरिटी से एक दूसरी विचारधारा रखने का तरीका है। रास्ता लंबा है, बीजेपी से लड़ना, जो इंस्टीट्यूशनल कैप्चर इन्होंने किया है उससे लड़ना 2 मिनट का काम नहीं है, मगर भारत जोड़ो यात्रा एक बहुत अच्छा कदम है। It is a political action against the way the BJP and the RSS are dividing the country and damaging the country, spreading hatred, spreading violence. The aim of the action is that the hatred and the violence that the BJP is spreading are weakening the country. They are anti-national activities. One way of looking at the BJP, that it is a political organization. That's a rather superficial way of looking at the BJP. BJP is actually an emotion, and that emotion at a superficial level is hatred. But if you scratch a little bit, it is actually fear. They're actually scared. Congress party, it is the opposite of fear. What is the opposite of fear? Is the confrontation of your own fear. The moment the Congress party starts to spread this idea of confront your fear, naturally the BJP will start to collapse. Of course, there is an element of institutional capture, which they have done, which the united opposition will reverse. And it's important that people who have played a role in this institutional capture, they realize that you cannot get away with this scot-free, that there is a cost involved in capturing the institutions of this country and trying to destroy the institutions in this country, and you will pay that price.